The palava BEPC. The exam way na francophone exam, first exam for secondary school. They call it say BEPC for people they go for French system for education. Wait it happen. Result don't come out. Plenty people they go look their own. Family they go look am. Mommy they go look for a pikin. Papa they go look for a pikin. So when they use na MTN services Ayoba for check and they follow their result. Now this small girl, 14 years old, we write a BEPC. 14 years old. If a BEPC. And then for ye at the end of the life that. You don't know some people in the way they get PhD, they don't get work. You don't know some people in the way they get master's degree, but they don't get work. You don't know some people in the way they engineer them, but they don't get proper work and everything they work for their life. For this small pikin, I don't know how they grow up, how they educate you. But if Papa them is supposed to tell you, say failure not be the end for life. Not be because say you fail exam where you will go in a failure for your life. Not be because say you pass exam where you go get na success for your life. Anything that they prepare them. And then failure na part of life. It make you grow higher. No be you don't fail. As he fail exam, he talk say no fit support them. Pikina write long letter for a papa them. Now for that side for Lokpome, I talk native for Douala here. For Lokpom Basson for Douala. Papa now don't come out for hospital. Everyone come. We be there with his on 6 months. Pikin we be sick for ye. He can see letter for the other small girl Pikin. The Pikin, he don't talk, say he don't go in house. He leave house because he feel BEPC. He talk about strong French. Now the letter that he m'a read son part. Je n'ai pas supporté cette humiliation et cette déception. Tout ce que les parents attendent de leurs enfants, c'est la réussite. Et moi, je n'ai pas pu donner cela à mes parents. Je vous prie de ne pas me chercher car ça ne sert à rien. Je préfère mourir. Peu nation de read for the letter. Say he prefer to die because they don't feel BEPC. Say all papa them, they want to say me they are picking a succeed. So the humiliation plenty. Shame we don't bring up for a family in director a plenty. My pikin, you never bring no shame for your family. For succeed for exam, you get to prepare the exam. If you prepare the exam well, for examination time, you misinterpret question, you go fail. But the failure for your life, not be the end for your life. You get for start for day, and then you go before. Now so the thing day, 14 years, 15 years, if you write again, you pass. 17 years, you get your advanced level baccalaureate. If you go serious, 20 years, 21 years, you get your first degree. 22 years, you get a master's. Or 23. 25, 26 years, you get a PhD if you go strong for school. So what will be the matter now for talk because you fail BEPC, you want to give put your end for your life. Because you don't know. You feel even pass and so you can show now for 5 years for fine work. That 5 year picking away, they be there for your back, they will come meet up you, they get the same certificate like you, and then when I get work sometime, the same time. This life, no be na the way we look at for the way we look at say just straight for way just straight. More we just take out the way they come, and then we advise for picking and to be very, very necessary. Say failure not be the end for life. And they talk the one because say they to again academy, and then they give to understand all the things the failure not be the end for life.